Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I am Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create accordion. Let's dive in. First I will create the container, bootstrap container LG. I want the background color to be light, and then the margin 5, all sided, padding 5. Also I want the element to be centered. Justify content, center. Alright, next I want to create the accordion. Let's give this an ID, accordion example. We have accordion button. This is supposed to be collapse. I wanted to put this inside the header, class accordion header. I'll place the button within the accordion header. So when the user is clicking on this button, the text will be displayed, a paragraph. Alright, so let's give this a header, accordion item 1. Okay, now I'm going to create the accordion body. This is the item we are going to control using the button. That's why I give the ID on the top. Indicate that all of this belong to the parent. That is accordion example. Then accordion body. Let's put some lorem ipsum text. Alright. Now this is my first item. I want to add 2-3 more. So I'll copy this one. Let's add some comment for separation, for readability. Okay, then copy this. This is item 3. Let's change the ID as well. And here the ID. This is item 3. Same for the second one. This is change the ID, item 2, and here as well item 2. Now we can run this and see how our accordion looks like. Alright, this is our accordion. I want to apply a background. Let's go to the top. There was a mistake here. Okay. Alright, this is our accordion. Clicking on this button, you can see it displays. Now when I go click on the next one, the first one closes. Anything that was open closes as you open a new one. Alright, if you found this video tutorial helpful, for more like this, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.